Yung AKAP po ba, mayroon pa po bang allocation for 2026? Maraming salamat po.
Yung 4Ps po, we all know may batas yan, di ba? So, meron yung computation kung ilan ang beneficiaries na binibigyan natin. So, for NEP 2026, we provided a total budget of 112.997 billion pesos. So, intact po yan para sa lahat ng recipients ng ating 4Ps. So, you will see an increase because there's been a reduction from this year's budget. Doon po sa AKAP, wala po yung AKAP sa budget ng DSWD for next year.
Okay. So, follow up lang po. So ibig sabihin, wala pong allocation for AKAP next year?
Wala po.
Balikan ko lang po yung tanong ni Haji kanina regarding yung AKAP po. What is the wisdom behind removing po the allocation for AKAP for 2026?
May natitira pa pong pondo for 2025 and like I mentioned a while ago, we receive a total of 10 trillion pesos na proposal from agencies. And given our limited fiscal space, hindi pa po muna natin siya sinama.